Hi there, my name is Eric Linder. Today we're going to show you how to print the upcoming agenda. I'm using Windows 10 and using the Google Chrome browser. So your results may vary if you're using anything other than this. First thing you want to do is make sure that you're logged into your San Diego Toastmasters 7 Gmail account. And as I hover over this icon right here, I can see that I am logged into mine. So let's pull up the upcoming agenda. Okay, here it is. You can see that there at the bottom of the page there are three different sheets within this agenda. The first one is Thursday upcoming rules, which is shown here and selected. What we want to do is change to the Thursday printable agenda by clicking that at the bottom. The next thing we want to do is make sure that our printer is on. So I'm going to turn on my printer, and it is on. Next thing I'm going to do is hit the print icon up here or do a Control P as it says. You can also go File, Print if you want. So I'll do that, File, Print. So here's a print preview. I see the page that I want to print. It looks very nice. I want to check these little settings here. I want to print the current sheet, which is always going to show pretty much. See, it allows you to hit the other sheets if you want. We're going to do the current sheet. Make sure that paper size is set to 8.5 inches by 11 inches. Make sure that the page orientation is on portrait. And the scale, there's a few different options here. I find that with this combination, Windows 11 and the Chrome browser, fit to page works best. Also, I found that narrow works best on the margins. I don't change anything here, so I hit next. Alright, here's a print dialog. It's showing one page, which is exactly what we want on one sheet of paper. It's also showing my printer, the Xerox Phaser. You can also, sometimes it'll show up as saved to PDF, so you have to go in here and change the destination to whatever printer you're using. Now, if this print dialog shows more than one sheet of paper, it shows two sheets of paper, here's what I suggest. Just go down here to Pages and go to Custom and print one. And the reason you do that is because probably what is happening is that for whatever reason your printer wants to print it onto two sheets of paper because it's not going to print out something at the bottom, and you can cut those off. It's not the end of the world. Then you can proceed to print. Then all you have to do when you're ready is just leave the number of copies at 1 so you can print one and then check out to make sure it printed correctly. And if it does, go back, start this process over, and then select 20 or 25 copies, whatever you want to do. And that's pretty much it. So I'll see you at the next meeting.